Hi students. Okay students, 6th class 4th chapter, that is sorting materials into groups. Okay, our chapter name we have already discussed some topics in this particular chapter. Some metals lose their shine and appear dull because of the action of air and moisture on them. Okay students, for example, you take a copper. Okay, new pieces of copper you can take, you put in the outside. Okay, after 1 day or 2 days or 3 days you can observe that what happens, in new copper things they will be shining, but when they are put outside after 2 days, what happens, copper will react with the water which is present inside the atmosphere. Okay, so whenever it reacts with the water, what happens, on copper one type of layer is formed. It makes copper dull. It makes copper dull. Okay, so silver also, you take silver objects, any silver objects, whenever silver objects are put in the atmosphere, this silver will react with the water vapor which is present inside the atmosphere. So then on the silver objects one type of layer is formed that makes silver dull. Okay, so here new things will be shining, but when they are put in the atmosphere, what happens, copper and silver, they react with water vapor which is present inside the atmosphere, and they make all these copper and silver dull. Some metals lose their shining. Yeah, that is only whenever copper and silver, when they are put in the air outside, what happens, they react with the water vapor which is present inside the atmosphere. So that's why, and they lose their shine and appear dull. Okay, why they appear dull? Because of the action of air and moisture on them. Action of air and moisture on them. Okay, so here what happens, next when air reacts with the metal, one type of layer is formed. When water vapor reacts with the copper and the silver, layers are formed, one type of layers, that layers, something ash color or black color layers, what is that, layers will make silver and copper dull. Okay, so because of that only, new things will be when again they can shine, when that copper and silver metals are taken, when they are rubbed against any rough surface like that wall, and any you take a sandpapers are there. With the sandpaper, whenever these copper and silver metals are rubbed, what happens, again they start shining. Okay students, so that is only. Freshly cut surfaces of metal rods will have luster. For example students, you take iron rods. Okay, that dull iron rods also, whenever that iron rods are cut, the freshly cut surfaces of the iron rods will shine. Okay, freshly cut surfaces of the iron rods or metallic rods. You take copper rods. Whenever copper rod is cut, the freshly cut surface of the copper rod will shine. And you take aluminum rod, you take silver rods also, silver rods. Whenever silver rod is cut, what happens, the freshly cut surface of the silver rod will shine. Okay, so like that, freshly cut surfaces of metal rods will have luster. Already we discussed that luster means shining. What is the meaning of luster? Already we discussed luster. The meaning of luster is luster. Luster means shining. Already we discussed about this. Luster means shining. Freshly cut surfaces of metal rods will luster. will have luster means will shine. Okay, so for example, gold, you cut gold and that freshly cut surface of the gold will shine. Silver also, freshly cut surface of the silver will shine. Copper, aluminum, iron. Okay, these are all the metals. All the freshly cut surfaces of all these metal rods will shine. Next, copper, silver also they shine. Some metals lose their shining. Whenever metals they lose their shining when they are put in the atmosphere and they react with the water vapor which is present inside the air. Moisture. What is the meaning of moisture? Moisture means water drops in the atmosphere. Okay, students, so here so like this, some metals lose their shining and appear dull because of the action of air and moisture on them. For example, copper, silver. Whenever copper, silver they are put in the atmosphere, they react with water vapor which is present inside the air, and they one type of dull layer is formed. Yeah, that layer makes copper and silver dull. Next, freshly cut surfaces of metal rods will have luster. Okay, shining. Okay, so whenever gold, silver, copper, aluminum, iron rods are taken, and whenever particular rods are cut, the freshly cut surface, when we move like this, it shines. Okay, students, so regarding this.